Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you the design team package I received from Erica at Scrapdiva Designs. She has a new summer line out. It's so much fun. I've been really loving this new collection that she has. And let's go through it. These are the surfboards in her shop. I absolutely love it. And if you're looking for her information, here it is. So much fun. And then this is a shaker Dragonfly. Really like this. And I know she came out with a couple new flower dies. I'm really excited to try. Flowers are my jam, so these ones I think are going to be a lot of fun. You can tell that there's going to be a lot of embossed, like raised embossing in it, which is always a lot of fun too. The word dies, summer word dies, summer vibe, relax, sun, fun, vacation, beach, please, super cute. This is her new Heart Rosette Die. This, let me see. Yeah, there's 4 pieces to this. This will be a fun one. And you could even cut it down too and make it a little smaller as well. And going on with her new stamp and die sets, this is the baking mitt, and it has sweet treat, handmade, baked with love, sugar coated, homemade, you're worth it, make a wish, bon appetit, baked for you. Super, super cute. I like that. And then this is the 3D sand bucket. This one is going to be a lot of fun. It's got the stuff to do the shovel as well in the back. I'm thinking this is probably going to be the handle or something in here. Some starfish flip-flops. Nope. I think those are the top for the flip-flops right here. Super cute. What a fun die set. I mean, it's got a lot to it too. Very nice. And she also came out with some stacked standard dies. These ones look like they're going to have a really cool pattern on them, and of course you've got the stitched one, like they're stitched as well as having this little like circle and oval pattern. Really cute. I like that. And then these are some border dies. Very cool. I like that. This is the rainbow bow. This could be really, really fun. I am very excited to see how this works. Like, I'm thinking this is just an embossed over on the side so you can tell where you're putting all of these. I can't wait to play with this die. And she's also got a new scalloped bow die. Super cute, and it's got a ton of pieces to it. You can tell this is a double layer die, and it's got the stitch right in it as well on both layers too. Swimsuits, I absolutely adore this. Super cute, and it's got fun summer time, little mini swimsuits, some bows. How cute. And her new rolled flower die. Wow, that's got a lot of detail to it. These are going to make really pretty flowers. And it actually has 3 different of the rolled. Very cool. And the last one is the new file folder box that I saw, and it opens in a different way. Very, very cool. I've seen somebody use it. To Erica shop, use my code JEN10 for 10% off your purchase, and I'll see you in the next crafty video. Bye.